Welcome back to another video, guys. And today I am going to be checking out the update with my friend who has already seen the update. But please don't give me any spoilers. Main thing that I can see, only thing that I've seen so far, is this giant shark head. Alright, let's go. Whoa, the crystal's blue. And it's flooded. Whee!
You should be saying baked bean here in a minute. Come here.
Oh.
You should be saying baked. Oh, yep, there he is. Baked bean.
Oh, shoot.
You can ride him. Giddy up, horsey. Oh, giddy up, horsey.
Hold up.
Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Giddy up, horsey.
Hold up. I want to get on
Giddy
here.
up, horsey.
No, don't giddy up. Don't giddy up. Giddy up, not horsey. Dang it, baked beans. Let me on you. Baked beans. Baked beans. Baked beans. Yes. Baked beans. La la dee. La la doo.
Grab. Giddy up, horsey. Yeah, he just kind of circles them out for a little bit.
Matt.
Hang on, I want to see your reaction to the cosmetics. Alright. Let's head over to City.
No! I'm getting in there one way or another.
No, they like to actually put an invisible barrier. They put an invisible barrier, see? Come on.
Alright, fine.
Palm tree.
Alright, I'm gonna just keep looking down. Let me know when I should look up. Whoa! Silver Surfer? Hawaiian Beach cosmetic, stupid hair. Ooh! Scrumptious.
That's a shark.
Hermit crab, surfboard. Oh, all these cosmetics are actually reasonably priced this time.
I know.
2,200.
Probably.
Pufferfish. I don't know what this are. The singing trio.
Yeah, tell me when you're coming to the cosmetics stand. I want to.
Mr. Clam. Orca whale. And I don't know. Silver Surfer. Whoa! There's now like a plane? We have to go check out the other maps. Come on.
Yo, check out mountains, dude.
Let's go.
This is the second shark. Secret tunnel.
I bet I can do this. First try, baby. Let's go. First try.
First try, my schliggity slugs. Yo, come here.
Whoa, pond.
Come here, Mr. Sir.
Bet.
That pond is like completely ice.
Yeah.
Alright. Dude, check out Forest.
Hold up. Alright, coming. Whoa! This looks so cool. There's a new... Oh, that's weird. They like get all blocky when you walk away. That's so weird. The font on the leaderboard. Oh no! Oh no!
Help! Fire rescue! Help! My hand is burning! Dude, beach? Dude, check out beach. Dude, beach is probably the best map so far.
Alright. Is it better than this? Because this is already pretty good.
Yes, it's better than Forest. 10 times better than Forest, actually.
Alright. Alright, let's see.
Go down here.
But... Whoa!
Go down to this part.
This is 10 times better than
How did
4.
you get stuck on a leaf?
Shut up.
Check this out, dude.
Alright.
Wee! Wee! And the third shark is also here,
Oh, really?
right here. You gotta
He's
enter through his
big.
bum hole.
Oh, no.
You gotta enter through his booty box.
Ah, my hand.
Dude, where'd
It's,
you
it's
go?
burning.
Oh. What if my hand gets stuck again? My hand got stuck. No, it didn't. My hand actually got stuck. You gotta slide through his bum hole. Way!
We.
That was very anticlimactic. I didn't like that. No.
Oh. What?
Do the new code.
Why do I look like this? Gorilla Tag added RTX? Gorilla Tag added RTX. What is this? So what is this new game mode?
Dude, look what happens when you tag me.
Hold up, wait.
Here, look what happens when you tag me.
What the?